Do your children often feel defeated and give up easily when they can't spell a challenging word or stack the block successfully? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can motivate your children by focusing on helping them make progress. Welcome to Motivation Monday. This series of videos, which is brought to you by HP Instant Ink, aims to help you guide your children to feel more motivated in their learning as well as in their daily lives. If you visit my home, you will see many posters on the walls. There are posters about emotion regulation, developing a growth mindset, and this, a confidence ladder to help my children visualize their progress. If you are interested to know how to use this confidence ladder, stay tuned and I will share more. This printable, along with many others, can be found on the HP website and they are all free. Just click on the link in the description box below, download and print them using HP Instant Ink. I print these posters using the HP printer and the HP Instant Ink subscription. If you haven't heard, HP Instant Ink is a subscription service where HP printer owners can get ink delivered right to their doorstep the moment HP detects that their printer is running out of ink. With 2 school-going children, I print and photocopy quite a bit. I have been using the HP Instant Ink subscription for more than 3 months and I never have to worry about checking the ink levels or buying cartridges. The best part I like about HP Instant Ink is that it helps me to save up to 50% on ink cartridges. Even if you don't print much, there is a plan that's suitable for you starting from $1.90 a month, and you can cancel it anytime you want. If you're looking to buy a printer, this is the perfect timing. HP is giving out free 3 months worth of ink for 1,500 pages a month, and this is worth more than $200. I have included the sign up link in the description below. When practicing the piano, my girl will often tell me, "Mama, this is so hard, I cannot play it." And I will reply her, "You cannot play it yet." I even have a poster on top of our piano to remind her about this. It is completely okay for children to feel defeated. Instead of invalidating their feelings, we want to acknowledge them so that children can feel that we are on their team and we are trying to support and help them. For example, "Yes, learning these words are so hard. Do you know I sometimes can't even spell the word carnivores too?" When children feel safe with us, knowing that they can depend on us, they are then more open to our advice. My number 1 tip to help motivate children is to focus on the progress and not the product. You may often hear this phrase, but what does it exactly mean for us parents who are trying to help our children learn? Well, this means that we have to let go of the outcomes. It's okay that your child doesn't complete learning a whole song on the violin. It's also okay if the child doesn't do well in her spelling test. It's completely fine if the child cannot fix the puzzle. If our children did their best and made progress, it is commendable. This idea is similar to how athletes often try to beat their personal best. In our context, we want our children to make progress so that they can beat their personal best. In order to motivate my girl and help her focus on making progress, I help her visualize it by using this confidence ladder. There are many steps on this ladder, and every step that my girl moves up means that she's trying and making improvements. I place this printable on a small whiteboard and use a magnet with her little picture on it. Whenever she feels defeated, I'll bring out this confidence ladder and check in with her. Here are some suggested scripts that I use when I try to encourage her. For example, which level do you think you are at now? How do you feel about being at this step? How can I help you move up the ladder? Don't forget to celebrate your child's efforts. Wow, you moved 2 steps up. You are on your way to achieving your goal. Look, when you did not give up practicing, you move up the confidence ladder. By helping children focus on their efforts, you are building their confidence. And even if they make a mistake and remain at a particular step, they know that they can always move up the ladder if they keep trying. Try using this confidence ladder to help your children visualize their progress. As Martin Luther King Jr. said, you don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Head over to the HP website, download this printable and print it out for your children. See you next week for our next Motivation Monday video. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. I'm Jacinth, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye!